up a good dish, then headed into Arizona.
Arizona? Like how many times? Are you just dumb?
Where are we going? 4th episode of Vanlife. Woohoo! First homemade noodle on the road. Liv looks happy.
Tomato, tofu, noodle.
Yeah.
With a little cabbage. It's really good. People will love it. It's soaked in the sauce.
This is how you make the sauce, guys. Even in China, it's authentic like this. Ketchup and soy. It's not going anywhere. It's not a splashy sauce.
See?
You gotta wash it fast.
Oh my god. Why I have to suffer this? I literally
Wash
told
it, just
you.
wash it fast.
I see normal people being cautious eating noodle, not like. See?
You're not normal people. Headed out for a day of touring. We're right near Arkansas.
Finally, first time you say it right. Little Rock, Arkansas.
At Junction Bridge. Alright guys, we're exploring and we're van lifers, and there's our van behind us. Go ahead.
You go ahead.
The Root Cafe. Pan's mushroom jerky, guys. Someone brought a family recipe home from Malaysia. So good. Olivia thinks it's better than the meat one. You gotta try this. Headed to Texarkana. We're at the best restaurant that we love. Which place is it? Olive Garden is glorious. I'm gonna have never-ending salads. Got an eggplant sub right here. Balsamic dressing, no butter, breadsticks, vegan Olive Garden.